Okay. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. Where is our class rep? I need to check our attendance for today, and to see if some of us might be away after a long period of not meeting. So we have Nema.
Present.
Present. Wesley.
Present.
Frank.
Present.
Dominic.
Present.
Gloria.
Present.
Oh, she is present. Okay, I will have marked your absent. You are present. Okay, thank you. Today we are going to learn our unit that we are going to learn this semester is I'll be taking you through system analysis and design. System analysis and design. So for today we'll do introduction to system analysis. So our unit is system analysis and design. And our date is 28th of what? November.
Yes.
Or 2025. Okay. Now, how many have ever heard of a system? How many have ever heard of a system? That one which you know is the system. So what is a system? How many have ever heard of a system? Or who can share with us what a system? My brother, I see you have an idea of what a system is. What is a system? Okay, tell us an example. You know Woofer. Oh, so you know some Woofer. So he's speaking about entertainment system, yeah? But here we are going to talk about systems related to computing. Are you together? So that is our system. So we'll look at what a system is, and what is system analysis, and we look at design. So our objective of today is to define what a system is, or what is system analysis, and then we'll also look at what design is. Are you together? Okay, we are together up to that point, isn't it? So when we speak about a system, recall when you have various components and you bring them together, isn't it? When you are doing a unit under installation, computer installation, you talked about computer as a system, yeah? Meaning you are taking various components and you are putting them together and the interactivity, then they give you what? A system. So similarly here, when we speak about system analysis, majorly we are going to talk about the software part, or developing a software as a system. When we define system analysis, therefore, is looking at the various components you bring, or you look at the various components, the process of collecting, interpreting, and identifying the problems and each. Maybe you've identified that maybe your school, when you go to the service line, you take a long time, like while you are in high school, you take a long time. That is a problem. So how can you solve this problem? Maybe by developing a system so that when you come, you just pay and you don't queue. You order your food and it comes. Yeah? So the process of analyzing, finding a problem, and coming up with a solution, that is known as analysis, to meet a specific or to solve a specific objective. Okay? So that is what analysis means. You analyze, you look at the broader picture of a problem that you have, and then you collect the data, facts, then you decompose them into a system. Then when you collect them together, that is analysis. Are you together? Yeah. Then we have design. What is design? Yes.
I think design is coming up with.
Coming up with.
Yes.
Oh, coming up with, when it is speaking about design. But first we have seen about system analysis. And we have said analysis is a process, yeah? It's a process of identifying, you can write, process of identifying. And then you interpret the facts. Interpret facts. And then after you've interpreted the facts, so that you solve or you meet a specific objective. So you meet a specific objective. Are you seeing the example that I've given? That maybe suppose you are going, or maybe you have identified a problem, you realize maybe you have been doing a lot of paperwork, yeah? And now you want to develop something that can help you solve such kind of a thing. Or maybe in before COVID, we were back to the period when you had COVID, yeah? You had to come to school every time, isn't it? But today you have what can enable you learn from home. So there was a problem, then you developed a system. So we analyzed how can we solve this problem in relation to learning. Then a system was developed, that is the LMS, right? The Learning Management System, so that you can learn from home. Now, when we speak about design, and our brother said that when you speak about design, your design is like you're coming up with a new thing, isn't it? You design. So, when we speak about design, then it's the process of planning a new business system or replacing. You see now, in the analysis, you were looking at a problem. Here you have not come up with a system, isn't it? It's a product. But now in design, you can either design a new system or you can proceed by doing some updates on an already existing system so that it solves a specific organizational problem. Are you together?
Yes.
So is there a question up to that point on our system analysis? What analysis is or what design is? Before we finish, we have some differences. Differences between analysis and design. So your work will be to go and give the differences between analysis, system analysis, and system design in your groups, and I will be having a presentation on that. So everybody to participate in their groups so that you identify the various differences between system design and system analysis. Next time we'll be looking at our next topic will be about the various types of system, maybe ERP or the OS is also a system, isn't it? So we look at the various types and the functions, and then in the future we look at how now we can design our various systems. Is there a question up to that point? Okay, if there is no question, then we will meet in our next lesson. And ensure you don't miss our next class. Are you together? Okay. Thank you for your time.